how to install Weverse app. So if you want to install Weverse app on your device, then first you need to check your internet connection. And once you check your internet connection, if it's stable, you need to open up your Play Store. And once you open your Play Store, here on the upper side, you will have the search bar, right? Tap on the search bar and search for Weverse. Once you've searched, here you will have your application. So if you want to install this application, then you need to simply tap on install button. And once you tap on install, it will start the install process. So it might take some time depending on your data or your Wi-Fi connection to download the application. And once it's downloaded, you can simply go for open, which will be on the right side. And you can sign up to your account or you can log into your account. So that's it. That's how you install. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.